Got some bad news. We just had a thunderstorm roll through here, so we're grounded.
Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm Diane. This is Craig. And this is our pirate pup, Bonnie. And together we are sailing out of sight. Towboat US to the rescue. We're starting to heel over really bad. But we're heeling over because the tide's going out.
Which way is your anchor going?
Mine's going out that way.
Okay.
It's all chain.
We're heeling really, really bad.
So, I've never been around before, so I don't know how this goes.
We're gonna put a bridle up here and you go around your anchor chute. And can you get that up pretty easily? Get your anchor up?
Probably can't. I can't. No, because it's.
You don't have a windlass up there?
Yeah, I do, but
Okay, so
I mean, I can get it up, but not unless it's slack.
make sure the bridle goes around your anchor pulpit and everything. And you're gonna hook one end on that cleat over there, one end on that cleat over there.
I've got the bridle right there. You want me to pull that off?
Pull that bridle off. We'll end up popping that thing.
How did we end up grounded in the middle of the night? Well, a huge thunderstorm rolled through. The wind that hit us was at least 40 knots. It was intense.
Look good.
The wind swung us around into the riverbank while the tide was dropping. The tide here drops about 1 foot an hour, so once we were in the mud, we were there until the next tide came back.
Tighten up, got me out of the mud.
We had about another 5 or 6 foot of tide drop to go.
We have stuff crashing below. You're gonna hold on. This is not a pleasant experience or something I want to repeat. Okay. It's turning to starboard.
Not knowing how far the boat might roll over, we called to get towed off. We've known of grounded boats heeling over so far that they began to take on salt water, and that's not something that we wanted to let happen.
I can't tell if we're getting away from shore or not. It's too dark. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and see. I sure hope another heavy blow doesn't roll through with this next storm. I don't think we're moving. I think we're stuck. Slowly but surely, I think it's working. One more big pull. Oh, that noise doesn't sound good.
Pretty sure that's fiberglass cracking.
Whew. Okay, we're out.
Okay. We are off the bottom. I don't know what all they filmed. We're off the bottom.
It's been a stressful night. Our battery went dead, and at this point, we're feeling a bit overwhelmed. So we put the camera down and calmed ourselves. We also found a crack with a leak, but we will be monitoring it through the night.
We're going to try to show a picture of the crack where the water's coming in, but it must have settled back in. It's not leaking like it was. It was leaking a lot more than it is now, but you can see this crack right here. There, you can, when I touch it, you can see water running. So that's just weeping in there now. But this is the crack that wasn't there and wasn't leaking before we grounded. This is the post that we think goes through and supports that partial skick. What's interesting is when the rudder took all the torque, what caused this to crack and start leaking. That's what we're hoping to find out once we get pulled out.
Boat Tow US has us. We're headed to Hinkley Yacht. Let's see what damage was done to the boat. I guess I don't need to be at the helm. Nothing for me to do back there. I'm gonna go sit with Bonnie. Our buddy boat is staying up here in Thunderbolt Marina. So see if they're out. We'll wave to them. They know we're gonna be coming by. It's a sad day. They'll have to continue on without us. But we've enjoyed the short time we've had with them. It's been a while since we've seen them since Galveston.
Get you up here, I'm gonna put it along the bow.
Check our depth. Oh yeah, we're still good. 23 feet because we're turning in a circle. Or they're fixing something. Retying it. Doing something fun today, like being in town, enjoying the day. Oh no, I see Justin out on the deck. This will be the first time we've ever gone under a bridge in tandem with anyone. Hope it's the last.
How long you guys been on the boat so far?
We've lived on it coming on 2 years, but we've just been traveling on it for a year. We've sailed across the Gulf from Galveston to Florida, and then made our way down to the Keys, then went over to the Bahamas, but didn't get to stay there because there was an emergency in the family, so we were actually in the Bahamas one day. We had just checked in, and Craig got the phone call that we needed to turn around and go back. And so now we're just slowly working our way up the East Coast to see what we can see. We were supposed to be leaving on Friday to go to Beaufort, South Carolina. We're gonna go there into Charleston and just do some little hopping and everything.
Yeah, they gave me a hell of a spot.
Is it in front of that blue yacht? Oh no, he's wanting behind that gray yacht.
I'd rather have the blue spot. I mean, dang, it's a lot easier for me to stop going when I can see it, you know?
That doesn't hardly look like it's long enough for us to be right there anyway.
It's kind of short, don't it?
It does.
That is a small spot.
Well, here we are, tied up and waiting to get pulled out. It's 2 days later, and today is supposed to be the day. Now we got to go get the rental car. We'll have it for a couple days so that we can get moved into our apartment. courtesy car key.
I don't know where the courtesy car is, so I have no idea where I'm going. What's unusual? It's a nice looking boat. They're having vibration problems. Little look around the yard here. There's a nice yacht. It cost a lot of money to take someplace. There's the lift they'll use for us. That's never fun. It's always nerve-wracking when it's a haul out. Everybody will tell you that. There's just something not right about seeing a boat with two little straps holding it up. Just crazy. Nice ride. Nice vehicle. Nothing is ever quick and easy. We have to borrow the courtesy car to go pick up our rent car. But at least we didn't have to call an Uber. Well, here we go. And we're off.
I guess they lost this in the wind the other day. Stop there, buddy. Yesterday they had crews out, saws cutting wood.
This is actually Thunderbolt, Georgia. Never heard of it, but you're only, what, 5 miles from Savannah? You never know you leave Thunderbolt. So,
Something like that.
it's the closest place to be on the water here in Savannah, unless you use the day piers downtown. As we once again move off the boat for yet another unscheduled event, I have to wonder if this lifestyle is truly worth it. They say what we plan for ourselves isn't always what life has planned for us. So we will once again write our plans in the sand, knowing full well that even the best laid plans turn to dust when exposed to reality. Since we have no idea how long we're going to be here in Savannah, we plan on making the best of our time. We're going to explore, we're going to sightsee, and we're going to do a lot of relaxing.
Yeah, keep her on the sidewalk and just load her straight into the car so she can be muddy.
Load up, girl.
Here we go. Adventure number 382.
More adventures than I care to think of. Not the right kind of adventure.
Not the right kind. Not what we had planned on.
Good Lord. Where's the volume on this? Oh, I changed channels.
Yeah, you did. Okay.
Okay, where are we headed?
To our new apartment for the next 2 months.
It's supposed to be one.
Well, for the next month, hopefully.
It's supposed to be one, planning on 2, probably will be 3, but we might get the boat back for the new year. Who knows?
Our only hard commitment right now is Washington, South Carolina. Is that right? Or
North Carolina.
Washington, North Carolina. So that's our only hard commitment.
Yep. This is it. We live upstairs.
No, we live downstairs.
Oh, we live downstairs. So as long as somebody's not tap dancing above us, it'll be good.
Got a lot of construction stuff still in the ground. Yeah, there's the fridge and washer and dryer. It's got new stove, everything. I mean, the cabinets are all relatively new. So this is the kitchen behind me. We have a private fireplace in the bedroom and a closet door that I would not try to close because I did and it made a loud noise.
Do we have sheets for the bed?
Is that not sheets up there? So I guess the advantage of leaving the bed unmade is that you know what sheets are on it. And this is the bath. See, that door's locked too.
Bet. What's in here?
I don't think it opens.
Yeah. That's up to code.
What?
The room.
Wiring. Electrical wiring is not that important.
And then this is our living area.
Yeah. Chain latch. We painted the chain latch.
I would trust that deadbolt more than I would a chain latch. So this is our home digs for a while.
Yeah.
I'll unload the rest of the stuff out of the car. So we got the boat pulled out finally after 6 days, something like that. This is the damage that we're seeing.
Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring the little bell. Bottoms up! Thanks for watching.